Hello and welcome guys. Today I will show you how to use the calculator on your PC. If this tutorial useful, please support us by subscribe and leave your comment if you need a tutorial. Let's start. First, open Windows icon, then type calculator. Choose the calculator icon. This is the default appearance. If you want to add number, click the number, then click plus icon. If you have done, you can clear the results by click C icon. You can do mathematical subtraction by choosing this icon. You can continue counting by input another number for another calculation you need. This application is the same way you use the calculator in real life. You can do division and multiplication too. When you enter a wrong number, you can delete it by selecting this. And this is basic tutorial to use calculator. Hope this useful for you. Thanks for watching and see you.